Have you ever seen a simple piece of wood turn into a perfectly shaped design? This amazing transformation is possible because of the Wood Lathe Machine, one of the most essential tools in woodworking. A wood lathe machine works by spinning a piece of wood at high speed. The wood is tightly fixed between two main parts called the headstock and the tailstock. Once the machine starts rotating, the shaping process begins. At first, the wood looks rough and uneven, but as it spins, the craftsman carefully brings a sharp cutting tool into contact with the surface. With steady hands and precise control, thin layers of wood are removed. This process is called wood turning. It allows the craftsman to create smooth curves, detailed patterns, and perfectly round shapes. Different tools are used during this process. The roughing gouge helps to make the wood round. The spindle gouge is used for shaping curves and fine details. The skew chisel gives a smooth finish, and the parting tool is used to cut grooves and separate sections. As the wood continues to rotate, the shape becomes more refined and detailed. Beautiful items like table legs, chair legs, wooden handles, and decorative pieces are created step by step. One of the most satisfying parts of using a wood lathe machine is watching the transformation in real time. A rough block of wood slowly turns into a smooth and polished object. After shaping, sanding is done while the wood is still spinning. This removes rough surfaces and gives the wood a clean, smooth finish. Finally, polish or oil is applied to enhance the natural beauty of the wood. Modern wood lathe machines come with adjustable speed control. This allows the operator to work safely and efficiently with different types of wood. Softwood and hardwood both require different speeds and techniques. Safety is always important.